Few free Forex education courses can teach you as much about Forex trading as this one does. All you need to do is enroll and be well on your way to get the best free Forex course that you deserve. To become an expert in the world of Forex trading needs you to know the basic free trading course and the advanced stuff. Forex course websites are almost everywhere on the internet. Not all of them can offer you the best free Forex education that will amount to something. This is inarguably the best Forex course as it covers everything in easy-to-understand chunks. We cut down so you can read through the levels easily. This is the Forex factory that will manufacture you into someone who can survive the world of Forex trading. In this course, you will come across some very important features. We think they will be very beneficial to the free Forex education that you will receive. Cheat sheets. At the end of courses that go into detail and require you to remember some very important things. We have included cheat sheets that will help you remember the information easily. Access to demo accounts. Before you trade, no matter how ready you think you are, there is always the matter of knowing what you are capable of doing. It involves having access to a demo account. Here, you will get access to all that and be able to see if you have what it takes before you get into Forex trading. Guidance. It is not just about providing the best free Forex education, but also mentoring you. We want you to not only learn but also understand what it takes to be a trader. That is why, in the course, the tone differs from what you would find in a textbook. We wrote this in a friendly and supportive voice to reassure you. Within the course, you find that we have prepared summaries that will take you through the briefs of what you will encounter in the levels before you start. This will let you know what to expect. We believe that in free trading course, our students need to know exactly what to expect so we can prepare them for what we have in the syllabus. Each of the lessons is short enough that you can go through them in very few minutes. To avoid boredom, we have cut the levels into short pieces that make it easy to digest the information that you are getting from our Forex course. For Forex trading, we have made sure that by the time you finish the course, you will have gone through the most important things to ensure that you can survive the Forex markets. So, to give you an idea of how the free Forex education works here, we will go through the levels that give you what we consider the best Forex course that you will find on the internet. We followed a basic system of taking every aspect of your free Forex education and packaging it in a way that most Forex course websites do not. Here are the levels that we will take you through. Preschool. This is the first stage that takes you through the free Forex course, including learning what Forex is and some terminology that you can expect. Kindergarten. This level delves into the free Forex education involving brokers, analysis and chart types. It is a step up in free trading course from learning terminology. We are still in the basic Forex education level. Elementary. This is where things get serious. We take you through what you need to know in terms of candlesticks, numbers, and averages among other more advanced topics in this Forex factory. Middle school. After learning how to understand the numbers and analyze them, we will move on to another aspect of Forex trading that involves indicators, patterns and other important Forex basics that will enable you to understand the next levels. Summer school. This is like the hiatus where you get to learn simpler aspects of your free Forex education involving theories that will help you understand the best Forex course even better. High school. Now, you are learning your free Forex education in the big leagues. After the break you get in summer school, we dive deeper into things like divergences, the Forex trading environment, and currency crosses. Undergraduate freshmen. At this point, are almost completely leaving Forex basics and moving up to understand things like market sentiment, how you trade the news and some of the best free Forex course on concepts like carry trade and others. Undergraduate junior. You are now 2 levels away from graduation. In this level of your Forex education, we focus more on you and what kind of trader you are or should be. We also cover the best Forex course topics on MetaTrader and how you can keep a trading journal. Undergraduate senior. Risk management, avoiding failure and knowing when to do your Forex trading is the sole focus of this level. Basic free Forex course covered what trade is, and here, we tell you exactly how to do it. Graduation. To cap it all off, we finish with this level where we talk about mistakes newbies make, scams you may fall for, binary options, and finish with some sound advice on being careful. If you thought training to become a Forex trader was very difficult, think again, because we just made it accessible and affordable. You will complete this in 10 levels, which are easy to understand and a joy to learn. Our vision for this Forex course. This is a Forex course that manufactures the best students right from Forex Basic to the advanced level. Our vision is simple, and to make you understand what we are aiming for when having you as a student, we considered the following things. Make it easy to understand and keep information. Imbue the power of knowledge. To cut down on time spent learning. At the end of it all, you will have no trouble realizing that you've got this. It is a simple and comprehensive course. If you know your material, there is no reason you cannot get into Forex trading and make a name for yourself.